Yo, what is good, YouTube? It is your boy Sosa, and I'm coming at y'all with another banger, man. Now look, I'm bringing y'all the best Sigs in NBA 2K22, current gen and next gen. But y'all already know my next gen Sigs. I got a video on that. It's damn near the same thing, but a lot of people have been saying that, you feel me, the left right in is patched. Yeah, it's patched for them, but my Sigs don't have nothing to do with that. Like the way I move on a 6-7 pure play is crazy. I'm moving like a demon. I'm moving like I didn't get patched. I'm moving like I ain't get patched, bro. Like I played a lot of 6'5", I'm at 6'5", a lot of short guards that be left, right, and then that shit just looks mad slow now. Not my Sigs though, you feel me? But yeah, man, I'm in the stage right now, as you can see. I'm going up against bully. Like come on, bro. Like come on, bro. But he's a pure big, like just a pure pain. Try to post up my 6'7". Sorry, bro. I'm 6'7" max wingspan. You feel me? I'm not going for that. As you can see, I'm comboing up and I hit a step back, but I did not want that. I actually wanted the AI step back, so I actually am able to grab board because I'm faster than him. So I recruit, get my energy, and get right back to it. You see, he plays my drive, I run out, green bean. You feel me? Something nice, something easy. But yeah, man, I'm rocking with my Sigs. I thought I was gonna get patched, because even though I don't left right, I know they did slow down some of the dribbling. So yes, my nigga does feel slower, but he still moves mad quick, bro. Mad quick. So these are the best Sigs to use right now, at least for me. So I can't say the same for left riders, but if you want a left right, you feel me, and move like this, talk nice, bro. He game. You see what I'm doing, bro. You see the stage, you think I'ma shoot. What are you doing, gang? But yeah, man, we back to it. I'm looking to see how he plays. He's playing my drive. Speed boost, jump again, go up. Feel me? Just some normal typical like 6'7" pure play stuff. You feel me? Like that's light. That's light. I'm on a 6'7" pure play. Like come on. You see the stats: 4 for 5, 1 for 1 for the 3, and I'm moving, bro. You see it? Look at the way God damn. No way. God damn. What is he doing? Someone get him a map. You see the way I'm moving, bro? Like. This is a 6'7", yes, a 6'7", bro. A 6'7" moving like this. Like, come on, bro. But yeah, I'm so glad, bro. You feel me? My Sigs still work perfectly fine. I'm not left right in, you feel me? I'm not a left rider, but I run out, green bean. But current gen's cool. I think I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna try to hit level 40 on both consoles. Definitely gonna do next gen first, and then work my way on the current gen. You feel me? So keep in mind for that. That's definitely what I'm gonna do. But it's two different games. I know some people that play both, like it just feels different, bro. Like I don't know how to explain it, bro. But yeah, that's the game. You feel me? We on to the Sigs. All right, bro. We back. I know I'm in my MYPARK right now because I know a lot of y'all. I don't want to hear none of that. Bro, you wasn't even moving in the game. Well, look, nigga, this right here, this showing you that I'm really like that and I'm really moving, bro. It's really the Sigs, bro. Like, what do I got to cap about, gang? Like you see the way I'm moving, bruh. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all proof, you feel me? This is how it works. Nigga tripping off that pack. Oh, but you feel me? Look, I'm still going crazy. You feel me? These Sigs got me moving devious, bruh. Got me moving devious. So yeah. Alright, so we are back, you feel me? And these are the actual Sigs playmaking moves. Yeah, this is it, bro. Put this on and try it out. Try out C grade dribble style too, because I know a lot of y'all niggas that watch the videos don't be actually trying out this C grade, bro. Like, what are you doing, bro? Try the dribble style out. If you fuck with it, come back and let me know, gang. Like, I don't know what you're doing. You setting yourself up, bro. But that's the video, man. If y'all did enjoy, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. You feel me? And if you're new to the channel, bro, it's free 99 to show love, bro. Go ahead and sub up, you feel me? And yeah, man, I do stream. To all the people who are new, I try to stream every day. I try to upload every day. If I can't upload every day, then I'll upload every other day. But that's that, man. I'm out this. Love y'all niggas. Gang.